Wow. Turns out I was muted this whole time. I've been talking on mute the whole time. I've been talking on mute the whole time. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Means you didn't hear anything I had to say. Great. So technically this video starts right. It starts right now. Wow, okay. That's embarrassing. I'm embarrassed for you. All right. Let's get back to it. So, pause the logic. So we got. I think the issue is when we get the callback. Yeah, yeah. Wow. Now I'm wondering like how many people came to this live stream and saw me just like talking and were like, he doesn't even know he has himself muted. Yeah, I'm never gonna follow this guy. It's whatever. Like I work with a smile on my face. So is it really that bad? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. Wow. Okay. So that sucks. I muted myself the whole time. Why does ChatGPT keep trying to open over there? Open over here where it's safe. No, I don't want to use your codec. I like free things, not expensive things that you gotta, you know? So, wow. Toggle paused. Show interstitial. Show when ready with timeout. For example, trigger the add from your game logic. Okay, got it. Here, it's confused. Here's the key point. That alone does not. Yes. Just adds the widget to the tree. Call a method on the widget state, like show. Our main. Yes, add widget key on open pause game. Oh my god. Wow, dude. Yeah, that's embarrassing. Like that's I'm not even gonna tell you what fixed it. Uh uh so we gotta just use our toggle. Our toggle. See, I ignore me. Ignore me. You're better if you just ignore me. It's gonna work now, guys. Watch it work. Yeah. Watch it work, guys. So let's try that again. So this time it should work. So when we get an ad and we come back, it should be 12 seconds. No. Yes. Yes. 15 seconds. Yes. 12 seconds. Yeah. Yeah. All right, it should be 12 seconds. That's definitely gonna get us a copyright, whatever. Dude, it works. Guys, we did it. It wasn't, look, it took a little bit of time, okay? But now imagine how much time it takes to fix everything else. Like, and you know what it is? I'm gonna be really honest with you. The devil is in the details. Like the little stuff matters so much, okay? The little stuff really matters. You have to you can't just ignore the little things because they add up. You know, it's like, oh look, that doesn't work. That's fine. It's that's a feature. That's not a feature. It's not really a feature. You gotta figure it out. Everything is trying to everything tells you what it wants from you. Or not what it wants from you, okay? But like bugs are trying to tell you something. They're trying to tell you, hey man, that app that you're working on, it could be better this way or that way or whatever. So like you can't just ignore your like what's the point of working on it if you're gonna ignore it? Almost no point, right? So like yeah, because look, if you're gonna ignore all your bugs, you might as well ignore everything. Like don't even do it if that's the case. But that's awesome that we fixed that because it's gonna add up. All right. Like, yeah, it's gonna add up to the experience because now anyone that's using it, it's like, oh dude, look, this is actually pretty good, you know? Um I did I'm not pretty good, but it is. So I think maybe we should run the live again. I don't know. Maybe make another live. Like we fixed the bug. What else like that's low key. That was the only bug left on the thing. So I'm not sure because I like how everything else is. Now you can go really far up in levels on this. Um because it gets really gets really hard. Look at that. It works, guys. Okay. You know what's better than being the world's like most advanced elite programmer? I'm so good. I don't need ChatGPT. ChatGPT needs me. That type of guy, you know what's better than that? Understanding a problem, solving that problem with what you know. That's the best thing. All right. I got that. I could have I could have done better. Here, let's see. No. Diamond, opal, garnet. Ha
Feel zen with Les Mills Yoga. Try on Les
ha
Mills
ha.
Plus now and get
Quick
50%
success.
off an annual plan.
So yeah, that's pretty much the app. Um, I mean, what else do you want me to do here? Melody. Ba, ba. Wow, that looked like tuna for me. I don't know why. Healer, surgeon, doctor, nurse, designer, actor, dancer, sculptor. Ah, cheddar, Swiss, provolone, bleu. I don't like these words are like from collections. They're not from me. They're just a bunch of words. Rowing, beat, staff, sharp, staff, sharp, fireman. Did I get it? Look, they're trying to get us copyright strike. That's what that's what that is. No one cares about that. All right, lungs, bone. There you go. Emerald, emerald. Uh, Garnet. I know Garnet because Steven Universe. Okay. Who said cartoons are useless? Radish, onion, carrot. Hot dog, burger, fries, nuggets. Sad, blue, unhappy, happy. No, because those were all negative. Preposition, conjunction, adverb, verb,
Feel zen with Les Mills Yoga. Try it on Les Mills
verb.
Plus.
Daughter, father, parent, and sister. Manager, CEO, HR, and account. Yes. Orchid, violet, tulip, and puppy. We had that before. Now we're on expert, guys. Expert mode has been unlocked. Okay. Liquid, boson, solid. Yeah, plasma. That was plasma. That was game OS driver. Antivirus. Oh my god, it gets hard. Horse, coat, donkey.
Feel zen with Les Mills Yoga. Try it on Les Mills Plus now and get 50% off
I
an
don't even
annual
know if that
plan.
was right. Oh my god. Okay. Close. Okay. Uh, brow, cheek, chin, ear. Oh my god. Shorts, jeans, thighs, tights, skirt. Oh my god. Father, mother, brother, son. Macadamia, pecan, walnut, almond, kayak, polo, skiing, row. Anger, fear, spite, greed. Uh, cause that has.
Feel zen with Les Mills Yoga. Try it on Les Mills Plus
I
now and
feel
get
like we gotta put a
50% off an
delay,
annual
guys.
plan.
That interstitial is loading really fast. Okay, like super fast. I think we gotta put like a little delay on there. Maybe a future wait, like 1 second, buddy. All right. Oh, damn it. Swim, crawl, run, jump. Meter, kilo, inch, light year. Okay. Artist, actor, poet, writer. Stone, gram, ounce, kilo. So look, we're gonna do a little pause because we're at 700 points right now. All right. And I'm gonna try to share this stuff everywhere. That way, maybe two more people show up, you know? Let's see if people will like this. Well, first of all, I'm gonna have to fix like I think we should restream this personally because I kind of screwed up the Twitch stuff and like maybe that's why no one ever watches my stuff. Or maybe it could be because I just started streaming like this week. And maybe it's because this is my first coding stream ever. It's pretty badass for me. I'm happy, like I always wanted to do stuff like this. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to Twitch. Let's see how we look on YouTube. It's just me. That's fine. Like it's whatever. We all can't be popular. It's kind of sad. It sounds kind of sad when I say it like that. Well, I don't want to be popular. I just want to reach out to someone that likes this. It's good enough for me. So let's fix that. Manage stream. See, last stream I got 3 viewers. That's not bad. Maybe I just gotta like pretend like I'm doing things, pretend like I'm working. If I just pretend like I'm working, someone's gonna show up. Look, I'm vibe coding, guys. Woo. I'm vibe coding. Look at me. No, I'm not vibe coding. Like I'm chill coding because I'm chill right now. All right, let's see. The stream looks really good. Um, let's see. The stream looks pretty good. Let's keep everything here. It's easier. Okay. Let's take a look. So I'm really bad at like sharing stuff, like sharing the stream and stuff, but I need to try to do that better. Edit stream info. So we're not playing skate anymore. Now we're on VS Code. Let's see if anyone probably not. I thought- See, like when you're such a nerd, you think everybody's a nerd. No, it's not case. Wow, they have a game called Programming Simulator. So I don't even know what to put this. Uh, how about just chatting? There we go. Just catting is funny too. Okay. Um, I don't know how to reach out to people, man. Go live notification. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, actually, I have a description, man. I could use that. I don't have to work so hard. You know what? I'm gonna take a little break. Uh, I'm gonna take a little break. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little break. No one's watching. I'm talking to myself. I'm treating it like it's a video. Okay, so I will be right back. I'm just gonna put like be right back text or something because I gotta share the stream. I gotta show people that it's better than my skateboard streams, which I have a lot of fun on. Let's put some text. Be right back. Just like that. And I will be right back. Hi.
Still manually creating PPTs, researching materials, and organizing
How do we
spreadsheets?
mute
Agnes Claw
this?
lets your AI assistant stand by 24/7. For devs, autocode, refactor, and deploy to GitHub. For creators, edit videos, extract subtitles, and schedule posts. For pros, scrape web data, analyze docs, and monitor market trends. Cloud-ready Telegram bot, persistent long-term memory. Learns from your feedback. Maximum power, minimum cost. Let's get started.
There. I hope it doesn't make any more noise. And there sounds and stuff, but the ads are like really annoying. Sorry. Sorry, I need to make money. Oh my God. All right. Um, so yeah, I'm having fun. We fixed like a pretty annoying bug. Um, it's not bad, right? It's not bad. Um, I'm gonna bring everything close for a sec. For a sec. Bring myself here for a sec. And then take a late picture for a sec. I think that's good. And we take everything back to what it was. Oh, I forgot I have to do this. I like having the app more on the left side than the right side, but like I like this better. This just works better for me. I don't know why. This just works a lot better. Cause I'm not even gonna be really coding right now. Like we already fixed one bug, you know what I mean? What do you like what other bugs is there? And guess what? I'm gonna use that same fix and I'm gonna do it for the one tomorrow. Because we have another app tomorrow. So if you want to keep watching these weird streams, you already know what you got to do. You got to like, you got to subscribe. Macaroni. I got it right. I got that right. I got this right. Oh. Yeah, we need to. The next feature we gotta add is that little delay between the ads. Look, let's use my friend ChatGPT. Okay. So, so um, and I think I already know where we're gonna be doing that change, like the delay for the interstitial. It's like literally the code that I was like, "What is this?" And lo and behold, so I'm even gonna give like it's you know what it is? I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. Like there's so AI is the equivalent of like for a driver, um GPS, right? So some people they use GPS and they know where they're going because they already know where they're gonna go. They're gonna get there anyway, right? And then some people, let's skip this. And then some people, they use GPS, but they get even more lost. You know what I mean? Like the GPS is confusing for them. You see what I mean? So that's the same thing with AI. Like it can either help you or it could just make the process of learning 10 times harder. You know what I mean? Because it's like you can reach a point with it where you just start copying and pasting all this code and then you don't even know what you're copying and pasting. Like, but if you know what you're doing, if you're curious, you're like, okay, what does this do in my code? And then you're like, all right, then you start understanding your code. And then it's like if you understand your GPS, you will never get lost. But if all you do is follow your GPS, like you're gonna run around in circles, especially if you're using Apple Maps in a car. I don't know why that combination. All right, Apple Maps is great if you're like on foot, but like if you're in a car, it's terrible. People, normal people just use Google Maps, okay? I like I don't even want to start talking about that. Okay, but Google Maps is better. Okay, it's superior. It's a superior product. It has more more telemetry, you know, if you really want to get technical. So this code right here that I'm highlighting, that is where we're gonna control. That's the reason the ads show up as aggressively as they do. And I'm just using the AI to confirm what I already know. But yeah, 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 yeah. Yep. So it's like immediately after the current asynchronous code is done, it pulls it up, and that's like a little bit too fast for us. So we're gonna do some fine tuning on that. But it's not that hard to do, and it's like kind of fun as well. I mean, you're here, right? Or you're watching this. Future you who isn't here right now and having a dope time with me on this live, okay? Making this game that you're gonna probably want to download, but then you're scared to download it because you don't want to support this right now. That's okay. I'll wait a year for your support. Either way, I'm gonna get it. Okay. Uh so let's go ahead and make a post. We're gonna create a post on everything. Um Come and join this. Oh, let me make like a commercial and let me make a commercial and record. Okay, it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be funny. Okay. This is all right. Look, goddamn. See, look, goddamn. So I gotta act like I'm having a good time. I'm totally not held hostage right now against my will. I'm totally not held hostage right now. All right, look, we do it like this. Let's go. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start the. I'm gonna start the. It's gonna be a commercial. I'm gonna do like a little practice run, and then we'll do it. Hey guys, come and join us live. We're building apps. Here's an app I built right there. There's the code for it. I just fixed the problem. It's fun. Join this live. How's that? I think that's the right amount of cringe I'm going for. All right. Commercials are cringy, guys. Come on, man. Come on, man. So I'm gonna hit this and then record. Record the video. Yeah. And something like, hey guys, why don't you join this live? We're having a good time. Come and That's literally I went off the script. Look, all right, look. I went off script, all right, off my own. Like the first one was perfect, dude. Oh my God. All right, look. Hey guys, we're building apps. All right, so I got to start with that. All right, and then from there I could or okay, something like that. All right, so oh man, I don't want an ad to show up, so we're gonna trigger one. All right, so look, I'm having fun. All right, okay, woo, you see that? Nice. That's ice cream, by the way. I'm not just randomly licking my fingers because I want to. That was ice cream. Sorry about that. I apologize. It won't happen again. So let's go ahead and continue this momentum. I don't like how that's. You're gonna notice I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and not in a good way. Not the cute kind. Okay. Not the cute kind. All right. So let's do this again. We're gonna have to trigger it out again. God damn it. God damn it. Line, upset, app, app. That's all I think about. App. Summit Valley. Sandal slipper. See? If I didn't do that, we would have had an ad right now. You're welcome. Hey guys, come and join this live stream. Something like that. Okay. Hey guys, come and join this live stream. We're building apps. And here's the code for it. And yeah, come and join me on TikTok and Twitch TV. I think that was okay. The first one was perfect, dude. We nailed that one. Um why is there no audio, bruh? Uh that sucks. That's kind of sucky. Um I really don't know what to say to that. Except maybe I should have done maybe I should have done this before I started. You know what? You know what? Let's just do something like this. It's okay. Like barely anyone watches me on TikTok. It's not a big deal. Okay. Okay. I wanted to put it on like TikTok and stuff, but I think I'm just gonna do every media that's not just video because TikTok is just video. Um, yeah, guys, it actually works. Next and next. Oh, we do need a good description. I think I got one that we can all like. Okay. And sorry if this is boring right now. Um, kind of why I went AFK. Trust me, I'm this comfortable because no one's here. As soon as like people show up, I'm muting. I'm like, oh God, it's all happening too fast. Okay, let's do this. And let's do this. You know what I like the most, right? I like how much, like how many people you can reach with the internet. I like that, you know? Like when a guy that has like only Japanese font in his name, like text, sorry, and then he's like liking your stuff. Why does that feels better for me, you know? It does. It does. It feels better. It makes me feel like, wow, my stuff is like people I can't say that. I like people in Japan need my stuff, man. Like I'm just kidding. But you know what I mean. Um I hope you know what I mean. Okay. I'm just gonna put the links, the link. So the nice thing about YouTube and like Twitch is that you could just put your profile. You know what I mean? You don't have to do all of that. You could just put your profile. And so I'm just gonna probably just link my profile. Let me try it. I always try like try it in a different browser because links sometimes break and they don't work. Okay, I can confirm that that link is good. So we put that one, and then we're gonna put this one, and we're gonna double check that as well. The worst thing is to have like a broken link, and then the whole time you think it's like working and stuff. That's like the worst. Let's see. Uh, yeah, we're good. Very good. Okay, so I'm just gonna share it, share it, share it, share it. Yeah, we're good. Very good. Okay, so I'm just gonna share it. Okay, and wow, two people are watching me right now. Not bad. There we go. And just doing some housekeeping, guys. Just doing some housekeeping, guys. Sure, whatever. Not really my thing. Okay. And now we are going to, and I'm gonna post here. Always share. Longer than 500 can't be shared to this time. So, what if we just get rid of this stuff for now? Let's see. Damn it. Let's see. share it to threads, maybe. Yes, yes. I like that. I like that a lot. You know what I'm starting to think? That the internet is just like random. Like, I'll explain, right? Like, what I mean by that is that like the most like you just have to be consistent because the internet is random. So you it's like a lottery, right? Like every day someone's winning, someone's going viral off of something, and they could get rich off of that because you could monetize views, literally. So, all right, it's shared to Instagram, Facebook, and Threads, all because it's less than 500 characters. Boom. So we could add those characters back. Let's add it. I didn't know Instagram took like 5,000 characters, dude. That's like 2,000, 2,200. That's a lot of characters. Like you gotta what are you gonna write on there? What are people writing on there? It's like a lot. What are they writing on there? You know what I mean? Why do you need that many characters? It's like 2 page. That's like a page. It's a lot. I'm just noticing it. Just a lot. And why is it only Instagram? Well, I think Facebook is like that too. Facebook is like 2,000 characters. Facebook makes a lot of sense because people write long articles, a little bit like Reddit. Uh, yeah, look, everything I had with all my tags, I'm not even at 1,000 characters. So thank you for whoever I need to thank for that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on Facebook. Threads is like straight up just 500 characters, which is kind of lame if you ask me. Lame because it's like I get it. It's like Instagram. It's like not Instagram. Threads is supposed to be like Twitter. I get it. I get it. But yeah, I prefer Reddit. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, everyone has their own like community, I guess, on the internet. And for me, I think I'm not on Reddit as much as I used to be. But if I had to pick which social media platform I feel is the best place to hang out, it's got to be Reddit, man. And it wasn't always like that. Well, because Twitter used to be Reddit for most people, but then a lot of things happened, and now it's just a lot easier to hang out on Reddit than it is to hang out on Twitter. I could put this on Reddit, dude. You see that? Like we're talking, we're communicating, we're you know Reddit. So if I go on Reddit, I know I got some friends on Reddit. I got some cool people I know on Reddit. I can't say that about Twitter. Well, that's BS. That's BS. Okay. I met a lot of cool people in Twitter spaces when I was like making NFTs and stuff. Um, but I was really shy back then and I didn't show what I like looked like. So they don't really know me, I guess. Like does anyone really know you on the internet? That's a good question. Okay. Where can I post this on Reddit? Just on my Reddit itself, or do I gotta ask ChatGPT that. Okay. And then we'll play games. Don't worry. I promise we're gonna we'll get to the games and stuff. Here, I'll just keep doing this, just hooking you in. Yeah, come on now, come on now, hooking you in with the games, and then you know, you come for the game and you stay for me. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, where on Reddit can I share this without getting banned? That's the see the problem with Reddit is the mods. Like every social media has its like down part. Game dev, game developers, indie dev, Flutter dev, learn programming. Hmm, I need to put it in places I'm not gonna get instantly banned forever. Because that would be cool if we could get more people in here. Safe Reddit subs. Accepting projects, build in public. Wow. See, that's a good subreddit. Build in build in public sounds like something we're doing right now, you know? Sort of thing. So, yeah, I like the sound of that. Sign me up for some of that. Okay. And I'm ignoring some people's messages on Reddit just because I have like a post. Um, a slightly technical post, and now everyone's asking me questions like, "Come on, dude, I tried your method, it's not," and I'm like, "Dude, I, I gotta step away from this. I gotta step away from this. It's becoming like a life of its own. You know what I mean? Like, nothing wrong with that, but like, there's nothing worse than like four people messaging you like, "Hey man, how do you do this?" And now, guess what? Those are four friendships that you don't know about. Like you're gonna, you know what I mean? You're gonna, they're gonna ask you like, okay, and then they're gonna be like, all right, now I have another problem, and now you're kind of screwed. You kind of screwed yourself. You congratulations, you played. You know what I mean? Type of thing. So yeah, let's build in public. Uh, build in public. Wow, dude, they have a lot of people. They have a lot of people. Uh, I'll just make a post here and let's see how it goes. Like, what's the worst that could happen? Post should focus on sharing the development process, including process, challenges, learning. Marketing is acceptable, but post must provide context about how the project was built. Pure promotions with no insight into the creation process. Share your methods, decisions, and the that's what we're doing here. What do you think this is, man? I'm just I'm just kidding. Okay. Uh I'm gonna say watch me build again. Watch me fix bugs. No? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to just like get banned because it sucks because it's like less people I'm gonna reach out to ever, you know? Okay. So, dude, I think we're gonna get people on here. And then see, then I'm gonna mute and I'm not gonna say a word. I'm gonna be so shy, dude. All right, let's see, dude. Let's see, dude. Okay. Just doing some house cleaning. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. I like the way that looks. And let's post it with an image. I'll put my image in there. Some, you know what's so weird? Some subreddits, well, like it's not weird at all. Never mind. I know exactly why they do it. I was gonna say some subreddits, they don't allow you to post images unless you've been a part of them for a while. But I get it. You know what I mean? Oh, there it is. Perfect. Open that up and post it. Let's see if we're gonna get banned. Please don't ban us. Okay. Uh, cross post it. Okay. Uh, okay. Like we should pause. Let's pause. It's better than seeing the ads. Oop, technically you're still seeing an ad. You know, but look, you know how much money I make off the ads? Like almost nothing. I made like $10. That's the most I've made so far off ads. I know. Is it really I would rather sell a game, dude. I would rather just sell you something for like $2, right? And then sell that to five people. That's like an, like versus everybody has to suffer, including myself, including myself. You know what I mean? Like the thing is, it's like monetization. Like, how do you monetize an app like this? Apart from ads, like it's just a simple little game. The only thing it's like, oh, you like word games? Perfect. It's for you. Now you don't want to pay for it, right? So what am I gonna do? Put ads everywhere. And that's what happens. So like I don't want to be that kind of guy, but um oh, so you don't get banned. Okay. So cross posting is not always, look, I don't know much about Reddit, okay? Uh Flutter Dev, damn, they got a lot of people on that. So uh it's a video. I mean, I hope I don't get banned, dude. I hope I don't get banned. I mean, I'm building it on Flutter. It's built on Flutter. You know what I mean? I hope I put that out there. I mean, it's clearly built on Flutter. Like if you can tell by the image, it already has 4 views, dude. Do you see that? Oh, because that was in build in public. Okay. I think it's my, I gotta change my thumbnail. You don't want to see the thumbnail I got right now. All right. It's terrible, dude. Oh my God. Okay. Um, yeah, I like that. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna put it on Twitter. We put that on Twitter, then we're done. Then we, pushed it out there. Let the algorithms figure it out. Okay. Damn it. I'll be right back. I need to grab my never mind. It might be closer than I think. Oh, I found it. Be right back. I guess you I guess no, be right back. Be right here. Be right here. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna keep building. Let's see. Are people here? Is anyone gonna yell at me? Am I in trouble? Nah, I'm not. No one's here yet. We still got time. And yeah. And yeah. So, all right. Just looking for something. Let me do something. Hi, sorry. Sorry about that. Thank you for waiting. So let's take a look where I was gonna. Uh, great. There's no way you can copy text on Instagram. I just found that out. Thank God you can on Facebook though. Okay. Save the photo as well. Paste that. Damn. Yeah, Twitter is strict with that 300 character limit. They do not play around. Okay. Uh nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Pose. Huh. Isn't that interesting? Copy paste to that. See that? Some weird stuff, man. That's way better. Okay. Nice. Nice. It's on everything except TikTok. What can you do? Oh, wow. My poor ice cream has melted. I hope no one saw that. Okay. So we're building starting now. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining. This is another what the heck? Anyway, let's keep on playing this game. Nice. Dictator, empire, democracy, theocracy. Theocracy? It's gotta be theocracy. All right. 8, 9, 4, 6. Shelf, desk, counter, ledge. Cashmere, wool, hemp, cotton. Upset, sad, blue. Sorrow or fear? It's gotta be that one. Shovel, spade, hose. We gotta, you see that? We have to add it there. We need it. We need that 1 second, and I know where it is. The AI even agreed with me. Okay, I got the AI on my side. Let's see here. What did it say? Okay. Let's see here. Where did I put that? Let's take a look. I guess I never added that little bit of logic. Look, I hate how smart and how dumb the AI fucking is. Cause it's so weird. That's so weird. Where is it at, dude? Come on, man. We had this right here, and it wasn't here anymore. That's so funny. So let's see if we can find it. Because I had already had a, I already did my thing. I don't want to do it again. Let's see. Let's do it again. Oh, we got 2 people. Hey, thank you for joining. Welcome to Lay Live. Okay, I don't know why I'm in the middle right now. I guess I think I'm important or something. But here's a game that I made that is called Next Word. And it's all about guessing the next word. See what I did there? Blender, oven, kettle, stove. Stave. Uh, adjective, pronoun, noun, and conjunction. Conjunction. You have to say it in like a fancy British accent. Victorian, Iron Age, Stone Age, Mid Age. Mid Ages. All right. Um, let's see. So we got two people. Ooh, two people. Woo! Woo! Welcome, welcome, welcome to the live stream, and enjoy this. Enjoy this live stream. All right. So we are. Where are we right now? Oh, you see that? It brought it back. Look, we didn't have to. We didn't have to reinvent the wheel. Okay, again, the wheel that we already invented. Um, future delay. Add delay. This dot add delay. Future dot delayed. Why do we have to do all that? We could just literally put this in there and just put the second in there. Like, bruh. Watch. Watch. So this is the issue. All right. So instead of that, we're just gonna run something like this. We're gonna put like a delay. Okay. I just wanted to know the best ways to do it. But apparently sometimes the best way to do it is just do it, you know? So I gotta do duration. Yeah, I have to do duration and then 1 second. 1 second is perfect. So now we have to put seconds in there. Something like this. Oh wow, look at that. I didn't even I didn't even need to use ChatGPT. Look, it's a meme for me, all right? Like the okay, now dude, did you see that? You see that little that's what we're doing here. That's what we're doing here. Okay. So, yes. Oh, dude, I love quinoa. I love quinoa. Okay. Plank, ship, treasure, rum? It's pirates. All right, cabin, bungalow, condo. Cold, scald, warm, hot. Pound, rupee, euro, won. You see that delay? That's what we're doing here. It's not like instantly just trying to like, it's like slowly just, you know what I mean? That's perfect. And watch, it's gonna do it again. You see that? You see that little delay? That's what we're doing here. So how about this? Let's do a hot reload. Boom. That's what we should have done. What are, what are we doing here? What am I even doing here? Mystery, fantasy, sci-fi, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Okay. I broke it. I broke it. Why is it broken now? Add with ID 1 is not available. Okay, hold on. Bring that back. Bring that back. Okay, now it's good now. Poodle there. I hope it breaks because everything's working kind of well. And usually that's like too good. Like make life harder, man. Okay. Seed, flower, seed. Cloud. Cloud. I don't know what Islam has to do with that. Oh, blog. Come on, man. Sphere, cube, cone, box. Oh, that was the evil one. That was a tricky one. Honesty, charity, courage, and patience. You see that? It didn't just open on us. I think we could do 2 seconds, guys. I think we should. I think let's try it out. Okay. I think that might be the sweet spot because